Welcome to Veerapaneni Infra Projects. This video presents our comprehensive construction progress report for June 2025 at our landmark residential development, Aalayam by Veerapaneni Infra Projects. Let's walk through key accomplishments from June 1st to June 30th. Ground floor water tank. On June 1st, centering work was finalized. Concrete pouring commenced and finished on June 10th. Curing operations ran continuously from June 11th through month end. Brickwork Progress. Ground floor units. Masonry began June 1st for Units 101, East Entrance, and 102, West Entrance. Both units reached completion ahead of schedule on June 13th. First floor units. Brickwork launched for Units 201 and 202 on June 14th. Achieved 80% completion by June 30th. Quality assurance. Rigorous inspections were conducted throughout June 4. Slab plastering integrity. Brick wall alignment markings. Structural quality of completed masonry. This concludes our June 2025 progress report. Thank you for partnering with Veerapaneni Infra Projects as we build excellence together.